Looking for the perfect drywall sander but overwhelmed by all the options? Stick around because I've tested the top picks and ranked them from worst to best so you can skip the guesswork. Let's kick things off with the Alloyman Drywall Sander, our 5th place pick in this lineup. This one definitely brings some power to the table with a beefy 1050 watt motor and built-in dust collection, but that's about where the good news ends. It's got all the basics, but struggles when you're looking for finesse and comfort. Feature-wise, Alloyman comes loaded. It's got adjustable speed, an extendable handle, even double-deck LED lights for working in low-light spots. It also boasts a pretty solid built-in vacuum system that keeps most of the dust in check. On paper, this thing looks like a beast, and it is, but not always in a good way. The biggest downside? The weight. At around 16 pounds, this thing gets heavy fast, especially if you're working overhead. And despite the fancy features, there's no soft start function or overload protection. It's more of a brute force approach than a refined tool. If you're a DIYer who needs a powerful unit for occasional jobs, and you don't mind the workout, this could still work. But if you value comfort, you'll definitely want to hear what's coming next. By the way, you can find links to all the sanders featured in this video down in the description. Check them out for the best deals. Coming in at number 4 is the Gioventù Drywall Sander. It's lighter than the Alloyman and offers better balance, making it a bit more practical for those longer sessions. The built-in vacuum system does a surprisingly solid job, and it even comes with safety gear and accessories out of the box. The adjustable extension pole makes sealing work more doable, and the built-in LED light helps you spot those sneaky imperfections. It's got a 7-speed control which gives you decent flexibility, and overall, it feels like a step in the right direction compared to heavier models. Still, it's not perfect. It's just shy of 10 pounds, which is manageable but not ideal for extended use. And again, no mention of soft start or mortar protection features, which would make it a more complete package. Compared to the rest, it feels a little rough around the edges. This sander is a good pick for budget-conscious DIYers who want decent performance without breaking the bank. And hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more hands-on reviews. Sliding into 3rd place is BOSCH's Drywall Sander, a solid mid-range performer built for serious home renovations and pros alike. It's got that clean BOSCH design with ergonomic touches, a flexible head, and sealing suction mode that reduces how heavy it feels when working overhead. The quick release pole gives it adjustable length without hassle, and the dust collection system does a decent job, especially when paired with a vacuum. While it doesn't have LED lights, the control placement and the feel of the tool make up for it in many ways. But there are 2 drawbacks that hold it back. First, it doesn't have an integrated light, making it hard to see detail in dim corners. Second, it uses rotary, not random orbit motion, which means swirl marks are a real issue during fine finish sanding. BOSCH fans or anyone doing lots of sealing work will appreciate the comfort features here. It's ergonomic, thoughtfully designed, and built to last, but it doesn't quite earn the top spot. Coming in strong at number 2 is the cordless beast from DEWALT. If freedom from cords sounds like a dream while sanding walls or ceilings, this tool might just be what you're looking for. It's a brushless model that brings efficiency, power, and convenience all in one package. Its telescoping shaft gives you a lot of reach, and the wireless control system lets you connect to a compatible DEWALT vacuum and control suction with a tap. That's a rare feature. Plus, it's well balanced, easy to handle, and surprisingly quiet for a tool this powerful. The only real knock, it doesn't come with a battery or charger, and the dust collection, while good, is not quite as effective as some corded systems. It's also missing built-in lights, which feels like a miss at this price point. This one's ideal for pros or anyone who wants portability and flexibility without sacrificing too much power. If you're already in the DEWALT ecosystem, it's a no-brainer. And now, taking the number 1 spot is the VEVOR 800-watt drywall sander. This thing checks all the boxes. It's light, powerful, packed with features, and incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, this sander just makes sense. The brushless motor is not only more efficient, but also lasts longer and runs smoother. The foldable pole gives you maximum portability, the LED lights are bright and useful, and the wide speed range makes it easy to handle delicate corners or power through heavy spots. Plus, it's super light at just under 7 pounds. And really, it's hard to find major faults. It doesn't come with a vacuum, but it's fully compatible with external systems. It lacks fancy extras like wireless control, but at this price point, you're getting a lot more than you're paying for. If you're looking for the best mix of performance, features, and value, this is the drywall sander to beat. It's affordable, reliable, and super easy to use. Alright, that wraps up our top drywall sanders. From the heavy hitters to the all-around champions. If one of these tools caught your eye, check the description below for the best deals on all the products featured. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense gear reviews every week.